Hey, what's up everybody? Jeff Gatz here, and in this lesson we're going to take a look at the Paradiddle rudiment. Now this is one of my favorite rudiments, and I think that's just because it's really a lot of fun to play and has a ton of applications on the drum set. Before we dive in, thank you for checking out this video. If you get any benefit from this, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. Also, this is part of my rudiment series, so if you want to learn more about the rudiments, like what they are, which ones you should focus on, please check out my YouTube main page or gatsdrums.com for more. At its most basic level, a paradiddle is a combination of two single strokes and a double stroke. In fact, within the context of drumming, the term para means single stroke, and diddle refers to playing two consecutive notes with the same hand, or in other words, a double stroke. Here's what a paradiddle looks like. Traditionally, the first note of each paradiddle is accented, but in a less formal sense, most drummers are still going to recognize the sticking of right, left, right, right, or left, right, left, left as paradiddles, really whether or not that first note is accented. So how should you practice the paradiddle? Well, there's an unlimited number of ways that you can practice it and incorporate it into your playing, but two common ways are, number one, practicing with a metronome at various tempos, and number two, with a method called open, close, open. Let's look at practicing with a steady tempo. This is a common way to practice anything on any instrument, and here we're going to set our metronome to a comfortable tempo and then play along with that. Remember to practice leading with your right hand and with your left hand, and try to increase the tempo gradually as you become comfortable. Another thing to keep in mind is that we want to keep our muscles relaxed while we're practicing. We don't want to feel tense, so it's okay to stop and take a breath and consider slowing back down that tempo to something that maybe allows you to play more comfortably if you do find yourself getting tense. Next, let's look at open, close, open. Here we're going to begin playing at a slow tempo and gradually speed that up smoothly until we reach our maximum tempo. At that point, we'll begin to slow back down until we reach our starting tempo. And now with this method, try to focus on how it feels throughout the process. Try to stay relaxed and increase the tempo deliberately. It's incredibly easy to spin out of control as you begin speeding this up. With that, I hope you enjoyed this quick lesson. If you're looking to learn more about the rudiments, please check out these videos on the right. If you have questions, please add them to the comments on this video. And if you enjoyed, please click the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. I would really appreciate that. I'll see you guys in the next lesson.